Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vandana and in today's video I am going to share 10 everyday idioms that will boost your fluency. Idioms are very important as they add color and personality to your speech. Native speakers use idiom all the time. Idioms are common in books, movies and conversations. So learning them will help you connect on a deeper level and comprehend real-world English better. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. First idiom in the list is to hit the nail on the head. To hit the nail on the head means to describe exactly what is causing a problem or a situation or to be precisely correct. इस इडियम का प्रयोग तब किया जाता है जब कोई व्यक्ति किसी बात को बहुत ही सटीकता से समझता या पकड़ता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द मैनेजर hit the nail on the head when he pointed out that the poor communication was causing delays in the project. मैनेजर ने ये बात बहुत सटीकता से पकड़ी कि पुअर कम्युनिकेशन की वजह से प्रोजेक्ट में देरी हो रही है.
Yours appears to have hit the nail on the head.
You hit the nail right on the head.
That's it. That's it. You hit the nail on the head.
Second idiom is beat around the bush. Beat around the bush means to speak indirectly instead of coming to the main point. सीधे मुद्दे की बात करने की बजाय घुमा फिराकर बातें करना. For example, instead of beating around the bush, the teacher directly explained the mistakes in my essay. घुमा फिराकर बोलने के बजाय टीचर ने मेरे एसे में हुई गलतियां सीधे बता दी.
I won't beat around the bush.
Stop beating around the bush.
Don't beat around the bush, Leonard.
Third idiom is under the weather. Under the weather means feeling unwell or sick. अस्वस्थ या बीमार महसूस करना. For example, I won't be coming to the office today as I'm feeling a bit under the weather. आज मैं ऑफिस नहीं आ पाऊंगा क्योंकि आज मैं थोड़ा अस्वस्थ महसूस कर रहा हूँ.
He's a little under the weather.
Under the weather.
Little man's under the weather.
A little under the weather.
Fourth idiom is at the drop of a hat. At the drop of a hat means to do something immediately without any delay or without any hesitation. बिना कोई देर किए या बिना कोई संकोच किए कोई काम करना. For example, he is always ready to help his friends at the drop of a hat. वह बिना देर के अपने दोस्तों की मदद करने के लिए तैयार रहता है.
Contest at the drop of a hat.
Why? Don't go running off at the drop of a hat.
Fifth idiom is back to square one. Back to square one means to start something over again as the previous attempt was failed or to start something from the beginning after a setback. इस idiom का तब प्रयोग किया जाता है जब किसी काम को फिर से करने की स्थिति बन जाए क्योंकि पहला प्रयास असफल हो चुका है. For example, our project was rejected by the client, so now we are back to square one. क्लाइंट ने हमारा प्रोजेक्ट रिजेक्ट कर दिया है, सो हमें सारा काम फिर से करना होगा.
Back to square one, Charlie.
Great. Back to square one.
Back to square one.
Back to square one.
Sixth idiom is over the moon. Over the moon means to be extremely happy or delighted. बहुत खुश या आनंदित होना. For example, she was over the moon when she got selected for her dream job. जब उसे अपने सपनों की नौकरी मिली तो वो खुशी से झूम उठी.
He'll be over the moon.
Over the moon.
We're over the moon.
Seventh idiom is tip of the iceberg. Tip of the iceberg means a small visible part of a much bigger problem or situation. इस idiom का प्रयोग तब किया जाता है जबकि कोई समस्या जितनी दिखाई देती है असल में उससे कहीं बहुत बड़ी होती है. For example, the money they stole is just tip of the iceberg. The real corruption runs much deeper. जो उन्होंने पैसा चुराया है वह तो बहुत ऊपरी हिस्सा है. असली भ्रष्टाचार तो बहुत बड़ा है.
Tip of the iceberg.
And that's just the tip of the iceberg.
That's just the tip of the iceberg.
Tip of the iceberg.
Eighth idiom is face the music. Face the music means to accept the consequences of one's actions, especially when they are unpleasant. इस idiom का प्रयोग तब किया जाता है जब किसी को अपनी गलतियों या फैसलों के नतीजों का सामना करना पड़ता है. For example, if you don't finish the project on time, you will have to face the music from boss. अगर तुमने अपना काम समय पर समाप्त नहीं किया तो बॉस से डांट सुनने के लिए तैयार रहना.
And face the music.
Look, face the music, kid. Face the music.
Ninth idiom is hold your horses. Hold your horses means to wait, to patient or to slow down. धैर्य रखना, रुकना या जल्दीबाजी ना करना. For example, before making any decision, hold your horses and think carefully. कोई भी निर्णय लेने से पहले धैर्य रखो और ध्यान से सोचो.
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses, hold your horses.
Hold your horses.
10th idiom is come to terms with. Come to terms with means to accept a difficult or unpleasant situation as reality. किसी कठिन या अप्रिय स्थिति को स्वीकार करना. For example, it took her a long time to come to terms with her father's death. उसे अपने पिता की मृत्यु को स्वीकार करने में काफी समय लगा.
Time to come to terms with finding.
I had to come to terms with that.
A difficult fellow to come to terms.
So far, we have learned 10 idioms. So now get ready to test your knowledge with some exciting quizzes and let me know your scores in the comments below. Start using these idioms in your daily conversation and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, happy learning.